Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to pattern lock screen password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, I lock my tablet and try to unlock my tablet, and it will ask here pin. So my current pin is 6565. I would like to change from 6565 to another new pattern. Okay, instead of pin, just I would like to use pattern password. So what I got to do is just go to the settings of our tablet. Go to settings, then go to security. Click on security. Here click on screen lock. It will ask your current pin for authentication and confirmation. Give it 6565 and click on enter. Now you got to choose pattern option. Just click on pattern and draw any desired pattern of your choice. Here I just draw this pattern and click on next. Again you got to draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm. Yes, now pin has been changed to pattern. Okay, so I am checking. Just I lock my tablet and try to unlock my tablet. It will ask my now pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern. I give it and it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily change from pin password to pattern password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.